Alright, so we could consider this part one of this video. Basically what I have here is I've got this little SCSI to IDE adapter that I want to test out. Supposedly it only works with CD-ROM drives. However, when I put in that onto the SCSI chain on my old Mac SE that still works here, basically it just wouldn't see the internal hard drive, nothing happened. So what I did for this part was I was testing these adapters that you can get on eBay. Basically I think that's an SC880, but what I've used it here for is I've got a 50 pin plugged into one side and then a 68 pin plugged in right there, snaking on through. And then on the other side, I've got the same thing snaking on through, and there that goes into my SCSI 2 SD card. So I just wanted to check the electrical connections. I'm not 100% certain on this cable for future 68-pin work because one of the wires is broken. I did repair that. You can see the green heat shrink there. But this appears to be a happy SCSI chain because you can see the internal hard disk there is visible, and also these are the two external volumes that are on the SCSI 2 SD. So stay tuned for the question that I ultimately want to answer. Is this adapter capable of being used in an Amiga, which is what I kind of bought it for, or on other devices? And can it really be used with a hard drive, or is it really like I've seen in some places that say you can only use that with CD-ROM drives, which I do have one over here. There's an old school IDE, actually writer. So that's the thing. And it would come up and power up, but anything on there, whether it was a CD-ROM writer or that old IDE hard drive, would basically just lock up the SCSI chain. So I'm not sure if it's cabling or jumpers or whatever. Again, give me a subscribe because we are going to be exploring this mystery and doing some very dark science with SCSI. And as another minor note, for the weirdness, that SCSI chain is terminated there. But I also think the SCSI 2 SD, 99% certain that's set up for internal termination. I do believe I enable that. So, questions, comments, help me out with this. I gotta look at jumpers. So, thanks for the subscribes. I really need them. I spend way too much time doing this stupid stuff. So, I would like to earn a small amount of money to keep buying dumb toys like this that you get to watch me play with. And basically do all the headache stuff. Thanks for watching.